Hey everybody, this is going to be the unboxing of the SparkMaker FHD SLA 3D printer. It was a Kickstarter campaign that was successfully funded back around September 22nd of 2018. SLA is stereolithography. It uses resin and UV light to produce the prints. This is my first SLA printer. My other main printer is an MTW Create, which is a pretty beefy 3D printer. This is my first SLA one though, which is totally different technology. The SLA printers actually came about back in the 1980s, and the reason they're so readily available now is because of patents expiring and whatnot. So I just got this in the mail. I owed $17.80 in additional postage. So yay. But all right, so I opened this up and this is what we got. There's a card on the top. I also ordered 3 additional resins, which these are what they're called. I don't remember what they're for. One's for like high temperature and one's for like specifically casting, and I don't remember what the third one is for. And then I ordered like an extra tank and some extra pieces of plastic that go on the bottom of the tank that are consumables of SLA 3D printers. And if I didn't say already, this is my first SLA 3D printer. This is the card that was on the very top. I guess they want some feedback with this. And so that's that. And then I just pulled this out. See if I can get it off with one hand here. All right, here we go. And all right. So I don't know if the carton was made specific or if they just, wow, but so like I ordered additional resins and the carton looks to be made specifically just to handle each of the resins I got. So let's see here, it looks like the manual. Oh, there we go. It's a pretty beefy manual operating guide. Nice. All right. And here's the printer itself. It's a little guy. I have a ruler right here. Like just in the package, it measures about just about 12 inches high. So here's the extra stuff I ordered. These are the screens and the trays I was talking about. This is where you put the resin in, and they're less than about an inch. They're about an inch thick, so you get about an inch of resin in that container. And there's the screens that have to be replaced as time goes on. And so let's see, I got 1, 2, sounds about right. I ordered 3 extras of these. And then here's the resins that I mentioned. Let's see if they're labeled. All right, there we go. It's LCDG. Specifically made by the same company, I guess, that made the printer, which is WOW, I think, WOW. Doesn't say what they're for, but I can look that up easily. Like I said, I know one is specifically for if you want to cast parts. It's made better for that. One is more of a high temp, and the third, I'm not sure. I don't know if I can get that out with one hand. So here's the other one, LCDH. Ooh, this one looks like it was, oh, this one's been leaking. Excellent. Came from China and, well, still feels pretty full. About to wash my hands. That one was leaking. That's the LCDH. And God, it smells. It smells bad. All right, so this, see if I can get in here. So I can just grab this out. All right, so this is the LCDMG, and this one doesn't look like it's been leaking. All right, so that's that, and here's the printer. I'll come back and do more once I get it set up and stuff, but here it is. A lot of people have been waiting a long time to get this, and hopefully some of you guys have gotten yours already, and yeah, that's it. All right, thanks, bye.